We need to eat of the bread, drink the water. We need to eat the bread and drink the water, 'cause we're starving, we're dying of thirst. The only way we'll have life is if we eat the bread and drink the water. And then we'll reach out, reach out, reach out for Jesus. Help us, Lord, fill us, Lord, with your love. Save us from the ways of the evil one. Save us from ourselves. Save us from ourselves. Down, 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 reach out. Help us, Lord. Save us from this hate. Please, Lord, fill us with your love. For we are dying. Hate, hate, save us from the ways of the evil one. Save us from ourselves. Save us from ourselves. Reach out, reach out, reach out for Jesus. Grab a hold, don't let go. It's the only way we'll make it home. We need to drink from